Hello and welcome back to EngVibes. In today's video, we will have some grammar quiz. We will see some tenses, articles, word order, modal verbs, etc. In total, we have 10 sentences. So stay tuned because this quiz is suitable for all levels, from beginner, intermediate, upper intermediate, and advanced. So watch till the end because you may find something very interesting for you. So be ready and let's get it started. Check sentence number 1. It's about tenses, present perfect versus past simple. The sentence says, the creators channel got over 1 million subscribers since they started posting in 2020. We have since and 2020 or 2020. This means the right option is the present perfect, has gained. The creators channel has gained over 1 million subscribers since they started posting in 2020. Number 2 is about articles, a and the or zero article. I think I saw Gap popular YouTube personality at Gap coffee shop this morning. Which one is the correct answer? And the right option is C. I think I saw a popular YouTube personality at a coffee shop this morning. Both of them are in general, not specific. Number 3, prepositions of location, in, on, or at. The online conference will take place Gap Zoom, Gap 7 p.m. next Friday. A, in, at, or B, on, at, or C, at, on, or D, in, on. The right option is B, on, Zoom, at 7. All platforms we use on. Phrasal verbs. The video editor had to get a new software system because the old one kept crashing. It means we need to change it. Change the old software with a new software. Come up to, put up with, switch over to. This is the right answer. Switch over to means change, replace. Next, number 5. Confusing words, homophones, common mistakes. The streaming platform announced Gap new policy on content monetization, which will significantly all video creators. Their effect, it's a fact, it's a fact, they're a fact. We're talking about a streaming platform, which is singular. It means it's, and affect the verb with a. This gives us B as the right option. Well done, guys, if you guessed it correctly. A quick reminder, if you're new to our channel, kindly hit that subscribe button and welcome to the family. Now, number 5, subject-verb agreement. A collection of the most watched tutorials being compiled into a single playlist. A collection, which is singular, being compiled. It means the right option is C. We're talking about the present perfect. Number 7, if here we have conditionals. If the live stream gap another 1,000 USD in donations, the host gap a bonus segment. A, reached, would add, B, reaches, will add, C, would reach, added, or D, reached, will add. Here we are talking about the present simple and the future simple, type 1. Reaches, will add, type 1 conditional if. Well done out there. Next is number 8, relative clauses. The tech reviewer Enthusiasm in Infectious just posted a video about the new gaming console. Here we are talking about a reviewer. 1, and he's a human being, so the right option is C, whose. Whose enthusiasm is infectious. Whose refers to the tech reviewer. Number 9, before the last, reported speech or indirect speech. The marketing manager said that the campaign got successful the previous month. Previous means the last month. It means we are talking about the past. Option A is, B was, C will be, or D would have been. Here we are talking about a singular thing in the past, which is was. The campaign was successful the previous month. Number 10 and the last one, it's about modals of obligation, necessity. You forget to optimize your video title to reach results. It's the most important step. A, shouldn't, B, might not, C, must not, or D, don't have to. Here we are talking about an obligation, but this obligation is negative. It means you must not do something. You are obliged to not do something. You're obliged to not forget to optimize your video title. Must not means there is obligation, but a negative one. Negative in form, not in meaning. The meaning is correct, positive, but the form is negative because there is not. Okay? Remember this. And here we come to the end of today's video. If you liked it, kindly share it with your friends, comment your score, subscribe if you're new. Don't hesitate to share anything with us in the comment box down below. Your opinion is highly appreciated. So, till the next time, keep learning, keep vibing with EngVibes. Take good care of yourselves. See ya. Bye-bye.